It's me and Little Mama right now. Not concerned with no future, but right now. No promises, no label when we able to get a little flirty with our neighbors. Ran down her ways in the car. I knew she only goes so far. Just wanted to hear and listen how niggas press to get it. Knowing I be on her mind while she on her single woman shit. A J-O-N-C, kicking it with her homies, going out to eat, weekend running the streets. How she describe her time, taking up not enough for niggas and they games. To her, we all the same, whether broke or frontin', getting money or stuntin'. Want something to claim, beat it next morning, don't remember her name. Well, remember the line, I'm single, it's just fine. We only need to know basis till you feel otherwise. We can phone text, Jones or phone sex, do what's best for speculations, the rest of